Okay, so got this chainsaw here. Literally a piece of junk, but we're gonna fix it up. There's already a sprocket behind here, and we're gonna make a chainsaw bicycle that goes about 25 miles an hour.
If you don't know who he's talking about, I am Peyton. I am Anthony's friend. Met him, what, about 2 months ago? Month ago, 2 months ago, half a month. We got that chainsaw.
Weed eater with a saw blade.
This we're working on. I got a FA50 1986 model.
Yep.
Suzuki. That runs like a bat out of hell, but we're having a little bit of throttle body issue right now. You can't see it, but back there somewhere I have
another moped.
We have a drag pad. Me and Anthony got this from my mother because my dad, he rides bikes, so I got this for my mom. This is, I know, kind of weird, but this is our little shed right now.
This is our man.
It's our man cave. It's everything everywhere. Yeah, I guess he just wanted to do a video, so.
Give me the spray thing, the spray bottle behind you. So I can put the spark plug back in. Alright, let's see if this thing will fire on up. Spark plug seems good. It's not good when you take it off the fucking. We'll take it off something. And we always reading shit.
This one, take it off this man. That's what I was man.
Fucking get on there!
While it's 2-stroke gas, do not do this.
Oh, it's got too much compression. The fuck?
Your foot was on. Okay, oh, she's running.
Well, it runs. Fuck.
Runs like a bat out of hell. Get your foot on the throttle and it's also hooked up, so I don't know how the hell that. Oh, you ain't got the throttle hooked up. There's no throttle body.
Yeah, so it's just.
Yeah!
Get going.
Oh, yeah, that's what's wrong with the FA50.
That motherfucker, if you go ride it, you better have brakes.
You want to ride it, you better know how to slide, motherfucker.
Slide.
Slide and drop. Hey.
Oh, shit.
Hey.
How are we gonna figure this shit out?
Probably should be smoking in here around gas, and I just killed that bug, and that's gas everywhere, and that's gas right there, and gas. Gas everywhere. I got gas on my hands, but I don't care. So. Yeah. I do have a YouTube channel. It's called Big Dippers. Made it a while back. Well, actually, I didn't make it as my brother's YouTube account, but I'm the main one to show shit on there. It's when we were little, though. It's basically just reviewing dips. People told us to review dips, so we did it.
So yeah, I ate a whole can of Grizzly Street. Not Grizzly Soda Street. Who knows, look at this fucking music. It's fucking awesome. So basically, we're just gonna have this whole fucking engine tore down before the night's over. And we cleaned up.
This is our first video. We rebuilt the FA50, but we didn't think about it at the time. When we got the 150, it was complete condition. I guess we'll make another video tomorrow showing y'all. It's dark right now. But, it was completely together, and it's completely apart. So it's just the frame. But, we're building a 3-wheeler. I have a chopper frame, a 150 motor.
I have a 3.5 horse motor.
So we're gonna build the chopper.
Drift trike.
We're gonna build that drift trike with a 3.5
Horse engine
because that thing, it might not have go fast. We hit about 30.
30
got some torque. We cranked it up. It's just the engine. There's nothing on it. It's just a carburetor. I about died. I shocked the ever-loving hell out of myself. Like it with the spark plug. Yeah.
Like the dumbass that would shock himself with a spark plug.
Yes, we know what we're doing. Well, I know what I'm doing. I work on race cars for a living.
Son of a bitch. I know what I'm doing. I work on small engines more than race cars.
He work on small engines. I work on race cars. Put those.
We
two
both
together.
know how to do anything, pretty much. I just don't work on cars as much.
I do know.
That's dirty. That's bad.
No, fuck
It's
that.
fucking that's disgusting. This thing's set up for like 6 years.
Set up for 6 years and that was first crank.
Okay, so the dude that I got it from didn't know what the fuck he was doing with one. So okay, so he got it from a friend and could never get it to start. So I brought it home and put gas in it because it was completely dry and it started up like full. So the dude didn't know what the fuck he was doing, and he rides four-wheelers all around town and cops with him. So
Yeah, this place, they like don't let you rest over anymore because people keep going to like crop fields and turn it up. But this old man gets away with this bullshit.
yeah,
I can't ride my moped. It's street legal. I got a license plate on my bitch and everything. So, I mean,
Texas plate in Louisiana.
yeah, it's Texas plate in Louisiana, but you know, nobody said I couldn't do that.
Nobody told me.
This is another project. We already tore into this one.
Yeah.
Until
That's gonna be another
I was working on this earlier.
chain
I mean,
saw bike.
yeah, it's gonna be an chainsaw bike.
We're gonna have like 4 of them.
The bike that we're putting that that we're making the drift track out of, it's actually a bicycle. It's a what year model do you think it is? Very old.
80s.
It's
70s or 80s.
it's in a
Older.
mid 70s to like the mid 80s,
Early 80s.
mid or early 80s. It's a really old bike. But we took the rear end off. We're gonna put some flat plates on it. They're holding it, and we have this rear end. I'm gonna hook it up too, and it's already got the sprocket on it, so that's good. It's already got wheels.
So it has enough torque to a full wheelie.
Yeah.
Like monster wheelie.
We don't know if we're making a drift track yet or just
Or
like
wheelie monster.
yeah, because it's already got hookups for a wheelie bar, so that's gonna be dope. What we're probably gonna do if we want to make it either, we're probably gonna put PVC pipe around the tires. Okay, it's way better than your thing. Because we definitely don't have the money for slicks right now, especially that small.
It's got lawnmower tires. It's got turf tires.
Yeah, it's got
Turf tires.
it's got pretty big tires.
I don't know. It's turf
I mean, they're not that bad.
Turf.
We'll probably put some PVC pipe on it. Something like that. I don't know. We're probably just gonna make it a little monster. Not real sure.
And we're gonna have like 3 chainsaw bikes, a wheelie monster, and choppers.
I'm gonna have chopper. We're gonna do King chopper. I'm gonna have that drag 150. Don't know what drag is. It's racing in a straight line pretty fast. The FX50. That's just they call them trail bikes. So
It's
just gonna be
like the
riding around.
copy of the Honda CT70s.
Yes.
But it's a little bit bigger than the CT70s. Yeah,
It's like an older model, 49cc.
the
trail
FA50
rider.
didn't have as much power.
This has more power. It's street legal. It registers 40, but I hit 50 on it, so. When it's not running. So I think that's pretty good. I'll crank it up tomorrow. Can't because it's extremely fucking loud.
Yeah.
It is a 2-stroke. If you want to know what it is, it's a FA50 Suzuki
1986.
1986.
They're pretty
model.
rare.
I mean, they've made them for a couple years, but they kind of went out of style and nobody really has them.
So
I got lucky and we came across it, and because me and my friend were helping somebody move, and we got it for free.
okay. Where's the ratchet, bro?
The ratchet? Yep. I mean, there's ratchet.
Give me that
over it.
ratchet. Yeah, hand me that. Yeah, fuck.
Watch it.
Fuck. 8, not a 7.
There's usually an 8 right here. That might not be it.
Hand it to me.
It's 11:32.
It might fucking work. It might fucking work.
Alright, guys, well, I guess this will be the end of the video. We'll get back to y'all tomorrow. Show you all the results. This is the green one.
That's the red and gray.
Red and gray.
This one I'm probably not gonna.
Fuck
with.
But tomorrow I'll show you the FX50 Suzuki and what's rest.
Tomorrow we'll start the Suzuki up for you.
Yeah, I'll throttle body's not on it, so it's gonna be like what the green one did, you know, it just open. But I gotta get the throttle body on and get a carburetor. But we'll show you all that things